What's going on, y'all? Yeah, Punisher XTR. So basically it's a KRONOS XTR. I just changed out the tires and wheels, and I put the Armor Creighton tires and wheels on there, and just the Punisher body and stuff for it. So anyway, I'm gonna get this running. I've always wanted to try these Armor tires and wheels on this truck, on one of the Corrali trucks, whether it's this, the KRONOS, Morocco, whatever it is. I always want to try their tires on here just to see how they perform, and they are doing good. Correct that just a little bit. Will Team Corrali make all their cars in the XTR version? I don't know. That would be pretty cool if they did, but until then, we're just gonna be buying bodies and wings and everything else. So you guys know I got a Morocco XTR too, so this is performing pretty good with these tires on here. You guys know these trucks and cars have so much power, especially the trucks. It's not even funny. Woo. And I fixed my Velcro strap. So my battery shouldn't pop out, but I might not be doing backflips because I really don't want to tear this body up. I haven't really secured the body. Nice, that just was smooth. Like drywall taped, or put nothing on the inside of it, so try not to tear it up too much. Yeah, this is going good. I'm gonna have to leave this like this. Still not even hitting full power. Like full power is right about there almost. And I'm probably gonna change my servo out. Even though I have a high torque servo in here, I wanna put one of my Power Hobby servos in here because the one I have in here is good for buggies, but it just is not strong enough for a truck. I mean, it's okay. I forgot which one it is, but I've had it for years and it's performed well. But definitely want a stronger one in here for this beast. Look at this thing go. Nice smooth jumping. I just love the way that thing, I love the way it hits that when I hit it right and it's up in the air and it just like pauses for a minute. It's just awesome. Puts a Kool-Aid smile back on my face after that crazy day I done had. And no pillow balls popping out. Thank you, Team Corrali, so much for fixing it. Still probably need to, I might have. Now that's one thing, even though this is stock out the box, I bet you overheated. They still get hot with the Team Corrali system and it still had the stock gearing on it. So I was gonna put a fan on the motor. And I should have brought my temp gun. I never can remember to bring it. because it's on, but I bet you it's pretty hot. I mean, the ESC and stuff feels hot, but let's just power this off. Power that back on. You guys never do this. Your car shuts off, don't run it. So I'm gonna run him kind of real light. Hopefully he'll air out some. All right, I'm gonna do one more jump for you guys. Probably be a short video. I mean, these are fine actually on 4S. Actually, they're 50 miles per hour almost on 4S. So. Let's see if we can ride this wheelie. There we go. So I definitely am going to be doing a mild upgrade to this to keep this truck a little bit cooler, because it does have a 13.2 pinion gear in it. But this just looks awesome like this. It really does. And I'm going to leave this just like this with these tires and wheels. So I'll probably get this back out. 4S is plenty for it. I think 4S with about a 14 or 15 may be the sweet spot, because I'll still get a little bit over 50 miles per hour, and I think it may be fine with that. But anyway, guys, if you guys have got one of these and you periodically have issues with overheating, let me know what you've done. You probably put a fan on the motor, which I did, and put another fan over the ESC, which is probably what I'm going to end up doing for this. So I may actually put a Max 6 in here. So I think a Max 6 will be perfect. I don't have to worry about overheating, and then put a G-force fan or something over the motor, and I think it'll be fine even on 6S. So we'll see. I'll have that probably done in the next several days, so and I'll do a video up on it. But anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.